Starting your gaming journey is easier with the right device. The best gaming console for beginners combines ease of use, affordability, and a wide variety of games, making it the ideal choice for new players who want fun without complications. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Nex Gaming Console. The Nex Gaming Console stands out as an innovative and family-friendly option, perfect for beginners or households looking for active, safe, and engaging entertainment. Unlike traditional consoles that require controllers, this device introduces a refreshing way to play games using only your body movements, thanks to its AI-powered wide-angle camera. Included with the console are 5 entertaining games: Fruit Ninja, Starry, Whack-A-Mole, Go-Keeper, and Party Foul, offering immediate fun right out of the box. For those wanting to expand their library, the optional Play Pass subscription unlocks access to a wide variety of beloved titles such as Barbie, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Kung Fu Panda, and Peppa Pig. This makes it especially appealing for families with children of various ages, ensuring there's always something fresh to enjoy. Setup is remarkably easy, connecting to any TV or projector via HDMI, and its compact design allows for portability, whether for playdates or family gatherings. The console promotes active movement, turning your living room into a playful arcade or fitness zone, which is ideal for those who prefer not to sit still while gaming. Supporting up to 4 players at once, it's designed to bring everyone together, from kids to adults. Safety is also a core focus, with no ads, in-app purchases, or inappropriate content. Its KidSafe Plus COPPA certification and offline motion tracking ensure privacy and peace of mind for parents. Overall, the Nex Gaming Console is more than just a device for gaming. It's an interactive. Number 2. PlayStation Gaming Console. The PlayStation Gaming Console remains one of the most iconic and trusted platforms in the gaming industry, offering an excellent blend of performance, accessibility, and entertainment for beginners and experienced players alike. This particular model, the CFI 2000, comes equipped with a DualSense wireless controller, a spacious 1TB SSD for game storage, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable, and horizontal stand feet, making it a complete package right out of the box. The console also includes Astro's Playroom, a pre-installed game designed not only to entertain, but also to familiarize new users with the unique features of the DualSense controller, such as haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. This thoughtful inclusion makes it an ideal starting point for beginners to learn how to navigate the platform. While a vertical stand is sold separately, the unit's horizontal setup ensures stability and ease of placement in most entertainment centers. What sets this console apart is its robust ecosystem of games, offering everything from immersive single-player adventures to fast-paced online multiplayer titles. The 1TB SSD ensures quick load times and ample space for a growing library, while the controller's advanced design enhances gameplay with more tactile and realistic. Number 3. Lenovo Legion Gaming Console. The Lenovo Legion Gaming Console brings high-performance PC gaming into a handheld format, making it an exciting option for beginners who want flexibility, portability, and power. Equipped with an 8-inch 120Hz Lenovo PureSight display, the console delivers fluid, sharp visuals with 500 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB accuracy, ensuring vibrant colors and precise detail. The touchscreen's 10-point support allows intuitive navigation, which is particularly helpful for new users adapting to handheld gaming. Under the hood, the AMD Ryzen Z2 Go processor and AMD Radeon graphics provide strong performance, capable of handling demanding games smoothly. With a complimentary 3-month subscription to PC Game Pass and EA Play, beginners gain immediate access to hundreds of titles, ensuring a diverse and constantly updated library without additional upfront purchases. Its 55.5 WH battery provides long-lasting sessions, essential for gaming on the go, while Lenovo's cold front technology ensures the console remains cool even under heavy use. Ergonomically designed True Strike controllers add to the comfort, featuring anti-slip textures for long hours of play without fatigue. With 16 GB of memory and 512 GB of storage. Number 4. Logitech Cloud Gaming Console. The Logitech Cloud Gaming Console offers an entirely different approach, relying on the power of cloud services to deliver a smooth, lightweight, and accessible experience for beginners. Designed as a handheld system, it provides instant access to hundreds of AAA games without the need for downloads, installations, or hardware upgrades. Supporting up to 1080p resolution at 60 FPS, the 7-inch Full HD touchscreen ensures a crisp and immersive display, while the 16:9 format mirrors the feel of traditional gaming monitors. Beginners will appreciate the straightforward integration with major platforms such as Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta and NVIDIA GeForce Now, as well as access to additional services via the Google Play Store. This flexibility ensures a wide variety of gaming experiences with minimal setup. Remote play support through apps like Xbox Remote Play and Steam Link adds further convenience, enabling users to stream their own libraries from PCs or consoles. With over 12 hours of battery life, the console is built for extended play sessions, and at just 463 grams, it remains comfortable to carry and use. The ergonomic design, enhanced with gaming-grade controls, haptics, and a gyroscope, provides a tactile experience that rivals traditional controllers, helping beginners feel right at home. Number 5. Voacle RG40XXV Retro Gaming Console. The Voacle RG40XXV Retro Gaming Console is a nostalgic yet powerful handheld system designed for those who enjoy classic games while still wanting modern features. Preloaded with a 64GB SD card containing over 5,528 games, it offers instant access to a massive collection across multiple formats, making it especially appealing for beginners who want variety without additional purchases. The Linux-based system supports adding emulators and games, giving users the flexibility to expand their library. Equipped with a 4-inch IPS display featuring 640 by 480 resolution and tempered glass protection, the screen ensures sharp visuals, wide viewing angles, and durability against scratches or drops. Its portability is enhanced by a 3200 mAh high-capacity battery that supports up to 6 hours of gameplay and fast charging via USB Type-C, making it perfect for long trips or commutes. Connectivity options include dual-band 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and TV output, allowing both online play and the option to enjoy games on a larger screen. The inclusion of vibration feedback, wireless and wired controller support, and a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor ensures smooth performance without frame drops, even on demanding retro titles. Beginners will appreciate its straightforward operation and wide game selection, which avoids the complexity of modern systems while still providing endless entertainment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.